Dictionary is a derived data type like list, tuple, set. Then when you use a dictionary, when you want to store huge data that too in pair combination like key value. For example, in phone book, if you see name and value, phone number. In dictionary word meaning, they are pairs. So if you want to store pair of data, you will be creating a dictionary. To create a dictionary, the syntax is dictionary name, dict name equals to flower bracket key 1 colon value 1 comma key 2 colon value 2 comma so on. So how many pairs you want to insert in this dictionary? You can have number of. So this is a syntax. So here we are pairing. See here one value, that means key colon value. The next the example, I took the dictionary name D equals to flower bracket. 1 is the key. Here 1, 2, 3 are your keys and 1 colon double quotes Telugu, because the value I am taking here is of in string type. That's what I kept the Telugu word in a double quotes. So 1 colon Telugu, comma 2 colon Hindi, comma 3 colon English. All the words are kept in double quotes because they are strings. After creating this dictionary, I just want to display the content on the screen. Simply print off D. So here keys and values will be displayed on the screen. Now, so there are some predefined functions we have seen in list, tuple, set, right? Likewise, you will be having predefined functions with the dictionary also. So we'll see one by one what happens if we use the functions. So items is the predefined function. When you use this, it will give the complete values. See here d dot items. The items is nothing but it will display the both the keys and as well as the values in the form of list. If you see here 1 Telugu, comma 2 Hindi, comma 3 English. Keys, D dot keys. So here in this dictionary, what are the keys are there? 1, 2, 3. So when you use keys function, it will give you only keys. Again, values. So D dot values. Only values it will display. Telugu, Hindi, English are here. 3 values it will give. So items means both it will give keys and values. Keys only keys. And here when you want to access only values, you will be using the values predefined function. Again, copy predefined function. When we use a copy predefined function, if you want to copy the same data to the another variable, then you will be using the copy predefined function. So already I have a D dictionary. So I am creating one more dictionary with the name ND, that is indicate new D. So I just kept the name ND. ND equals to D dot copy. Then I just want to cross check whether the D, whatever the data I have stored in the dictionary D, is that copied in the ND or not. So that's what I'm printing here, ND and D. So here you can able to see ND is having the same data which is D. Then clear. So when you will be using the clear function, we know very much clear, right? So when you want to no more use the data, but still you want to maintain the name of the dictionary, so you simply use the clear predefined function. So here ND and D, they both are having the same data. So ND dot clear means only the data will be erased in the ND dictionary, not in D. Then simply after erasing this data, clearing this data, I just want to check whether the data still it is able to display. So it got displayed empty. The ND is the dictionary name is available, but the data got erased. Pop. So here I have keys 1, 2, 3. Now what I'm doing here, pop. We know what is the definition of the pop. The pop is a predefined function which is used to delete data from the existing list or dictionary, anything, right? So here what we are doing by using pop, we are deleting a pair, so that is 2. That means 2 colon Hindi. This pair will be deleted. So here I am passing the key, that is 2. So Hindi will be, both the 2 colon Hindi will be popped from the dictionary. Then next what I am doing, so which is deleted, so this is actually your thing complete. So in which one got deleted? Hindi got deleted, Hindi got popped. So which one got popped? The pop function will return us. So that's what it here it is displaying Hindi. The next, again there is another function pop, we have seen, we know, and pop item also there. So here the pop item function, it will delete the last inserted pair. So we have inserted 3 pairs in this, but which one is the last inserted pair? 3 colon English is the last inserted pair. So if you want to delete a last inserted pair, simply use a function called pop item. Then after that, update. So update means if you want to add more number of pairs to the existing pair, or you want to add new pair to the existing pair. When you add old one, new pair to the existing pair, the data will be huge. The pair number of pairs will be huge. So what we are doing by using a update predefined function here, so I am adding 2 more pairs into the existing data. So already in D we have some. Right now 4 colon Urdu comma 5 colon Tamil. So 2 more pairs I am adding into the existing dictionary by using update predefined function. The next, here I have why it is displaying only 3 values, because I have popped, that is 2 got deleted, then after that pop item, that is last inserted value, 3 got, so only left with 1 colon Telugu, and here I am adding 2 more pairs. Altogether here it is giving the 3 pairs. Right, now we have seen, we have created dictionary with values. So in list also we have observed the list can be created directly, you can insert values, or you can create the empty list, then you can insert values. Here also you can create a dictionary in another way. How? First of all, you need to have the number of keys. So what dictionary contains keys and values. So here I am considering the keys 10, 11, 12, all integer type, and value 0. The 0 will be assigned to all 3 keys, that is for the 10, 11, 12. And now I am creating a new dictionary. New dict equals to dict predefined function dot from keys. There is a predefined function from keys using which you can create a dictionary. So what we need to pass to the from keys here? You are passing here keys and values. Then after doing this one, we are checking whether the dictionary got created or not. So here the dictionary got created. See 10, 11, 12, and the value will be default value, that is 0 got assigned to the 3 keys. The next one more function, so we need to talk about, that is set default function. Here set default function, so what it will do is that when we use the set default function, if pair is available, it's okay, then that will be considered. If we are trying to insert like 1 L, then next the pair will be created. If the already pair is there, simply ignore. If not there with this key, then this new pair will be created when we use this set default function. So what I am doing here, 10 already, 11, 12 already there. So 1 colon L, this new pair got created. So set default function use is that, like if we don't have the pair with these values, it will create it. If it is not having in existing, it will create it. The next, so now I just want to, we have general functions. If you want to know the length, how many characters or how many pairs are there in this particular dictionary, we can check by using a length predefined function. So altogether here 3 pairs are there, that is giving us when we use length of D. Again we have a membership functions in and not in. So if you want to check from the group of list, if you want to check any value whether it is existing or not, you can use in, not in, that is in membership operators. Here I am checking one, that is key one is there in this D or not. Yes, exactly, it is available. That's what we are getting the result true. Then you can find the minimum and maximum values. The min value is 1 and the maximum value is 5 using predefined functions min and max. Even see here I created one dictionary, that is 1K4:H. They are in random like 142. So if you want to arrange these keys in a sorted order, simply you can use a predefined function called sorted of D. If you see all the keys got what arranged in a ascending order, right? Then again this thing is not happening in the versional dictionary, only keys are arranging and it is giving the result. If you check it again, see the dictionary will be in the same form. So now what there is another way you can still create the dictionary, that is key value. This is my name of the dictionary, key underscore value underscore paste. Here I used with symbol square, see, and a key comma value, that too I kept in where round bracket. This is one pair comma and a second pair comma third pair, everything I kept in square bracket. So using this way also you can create a dictionary. Again you can cross check. So see, here are your values. And even you can apply loops, the iteration also possible with the dictionary. See, we know that items means both we will get like keys and values, right? So here I took for variable, so key comma value, in where I have to get all the values from the dictionary, so d dot items. So print, what do you want to print? Even you want to print key as well as value, so both you will able to display. Then if you want to display only keys by using a for loop, for key, here I am using, I want to print both key comma value, I took variables, but here I just want to print only key, so key in my underscore dictionary. So I have another dictionary with the name what, my underscore dictionary. So here what are the keys? You will be having A, B, C, so those you can able to see. And if you want to display only values, there is a function called values. So same thing. So for value in my dict underscore values, here you can able to see all the values can able to display. And we have seen whenever we created a dictionary, a list, there's a predefined function list for the tuple predefined function, for set predefined function, using which you can create the empty derived type. Here also you can create a derived type empty by using a dict predefined function. Simply dict name, that is d1 I took here, so d1 equals to dict. Then if you try to check type, there is, if you want to check whether it is a dict or not, so type of d1, it is giving us what, dict. So this way also you can create a empty dictionary. And some points you need to remember regarding the dictionary, they are, the dict doesn't support indexing and slicing. That means so in list if you want to access the elements, or in tuple if you want to retrieve the data, you will be using the indexing. So if you want to access only one value, if you want to access range of values, you will be using slicing, but it doesn't support that. In dict, values can be accessed, then we are storing values, then how will be accessing values? Now the question, right? So for that you can access the values by using a key. How you will be accessing values? By using a key. It is mutable. That means, what do you mean by, I said that whenever we are talking about the derived data types, you need to remember two words, that is mutable and immutable. Mutables means once it is created you can make change. That means you can add, you can delete, and you can modify the data. So if you don't want, if you are unable to change, that is said to be immutable. Here the dictionary is mutable, you can add, you can modify, even you can delete. You can delete single pair and you can delete complete dictionary. How I'll be using that? By using a delete keyword. So even you can search, so any pair existing or not, any particular key is existing or not, already we have seen by using a membership operators. So